Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the Headspace sleep tracking app, exploring its features and sharing our detailed user experience. We'll cover everything you need to know, so stick around. You can find links to the app in the description below if you want to try it out for yourself. While Headspace is widely recognized for its guided meditations, their sleep app is quickly gaining popularity. It's specifically crafted for individuals struggling with various sleep challenges, whether it's difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep throughout the night, or simply aiming for more restful and restorative sleep. The app tackles these issues with a multifaceted approach, integrating meditation exercises, soothing sleep sounds, and comprehensive sleep tracking capabilities to give you a clearer picture of your sleep patterns. A standout feature of the Headspace sleep app is its unique sleepcasts. These immersive and calming audio experiences gently guide you through peaceful journeys designed to promote relaxation and faster sleep onset. Beyond sleepcasts, the app also offers a library of sleep music specifically curated to facilitate deeper sleep, alongside ambient soundscapes that can effectively mask disruptive noises, creating a more serene sleep environment. For those seeking a more personalized approach to sleep improvement, the app offers sleep tracking functionality. It seamlessly syncs with your phone sensors, or you can manually log your sleep data to monitor your sleep duration, quality, and patterns over time. This feature can be invaluable in identifying trends or specific triggers that might be affecting your sleep. Further enhancing its sleep-promoting toolkit, the Headspace app offers expert guidance on mindfulness techniques scientifically proven to enhance sleep quality. The app provides tailored recommendations, helping you focus on breathing exercises, relaxation techniques, and effective wind-down routines before bedtime. The app's simple and intuitive design makes it remarkably user-friendly and easy to navigate, minimizing distractions and maximizing its effectiveness. In conclusion, the Headspace sleep tracking app presents a compelling solution for anyone seeking to enhance their sleep quality. Whether you're battling insomnia or simply aiming for more sound and restful sleep, this app has something to offer. If a more holistic approach to better sleep is what you're after, Headspace is definitely worth exploring. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information.